If you're a man over 60 and you've been told to simply eat more vegetables for better health, I need you to stop and listen, because one of the vegetables in your fridge right now may be the reason your erections are fading, your prostate is swelling, and your energy is slipping away. It's not your age. It's not your hormones giving up. It's that you've been eating what the world told you was healthy, without realizing it's slowly draining your manhood. I'm Dr. Moit Kara, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s reclaim their strength and confidence, without a single prescription. What I've seen, time and time again, is that the most powerful medicine isn't in a pill. It's on your plate. In this video, I'll reveal 4 vegetables every man over 60 should avoid. Yes, avoid, if you care about testosterone, circulation, and performance. Then, I'll show you 4 powerful vegetables that can do the exact opposite: restore blood flow, sharpen confidence, and support your prostate. And stay with me until the end because I'll expose one common green vegetable that increases estrogen in men over 60 by more than 30%, and most doctors never warn you about it. Let's dive in. First up, soy. That means soybeans, tofu, soy milk, even edamame. One of my patients, Robert, 68 years old, was eating soy every day thinking it was good for his heart. What he didn't realize was that soy is rich in phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. For a man whose testosterone is already declining with age, this is a hormonal disaster. Robert had fatigue, low libido, and erectile problems, all while thinking he was doing the right thing. We cut out soy, and within weeks, his energy and intimacy returned. His wife even sent me a handwritten thank you card that read, "You gave me my husband back." Next, let's talk about pickled or canned beets. Beets in their natural form are wonderful for circulation. But when canned or pickled, they lose most of their nitrates, the very compound that opens up your blood vessels. My patient Harold, 72, was eating pickled beets daily but felt cold and tired. The culprit? Too much sodium and destroyed nitrates from processed beets. We switched to fresh roasted beets, and soon, he was walking farther, sleeping better, and smiling again. The third vegetable is eggplant, part of the nightshade family. These can trigger low-grade inflammation in the joints and nerves. Frank, a 75-year-old contractor, came to me complaining of joint pain and numbness down there. It wasn't blood flow, it was nerve inflammation from eating eggplant almost daily. Once he removed it, sensation began to return. His exact words, "Doc, it's coming back. I can feel something again." And finally, let's talk about overcooked broccoli or microwaved cruciferous veggies. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound that reduces estrogen and supports the prostate. But when you overcook or microwave it, that compound disappears. My patient Walter was doing everything right, except he was nuking his broccoli every night. When we switched to lightly steamed broccoli, his nighttime urination decreased, and his mind felt clearer. Now let's move to the 4 vegetables that can restore your manhood. First is arugula. A peppery green loaded with natural nitrates, arugula helps open blood vessels and restore circulation. One of my patients, Tom, added arugula to his eggs in the morning. Within a week, he felt more alert. A few days later, he woke up with something he hadn't felt in 2 years. He looked at me and said, "Doc, it works. I didn't need a blue pill." Second is fresh red beets, roasted, not pickled. Carl, a retired firefighter, had slowly lost intimacy and energy. We added fresh beets to his diet. Within days, he had more energy. A few weeks later, his wife smiled at him the way she used to. Blood flow is that powerful. Third, cooked tomatoes. When heated, tomatoes release lycopene, a compound that targets prostate tissue and reduces inflammation. My patient Richard started making tomato-based meals. He slept better, felt less urgency, and his wife told him, "You're laughing again." Last but not least, spinach. This simple green is rich in magnesium and folate, nutrients that free up bound testosterone. Leonard, 70, started adding spinach daily. Soon, his legs felt stronger, his energy returned, and his wife kissed him one morning and said, "You're standing taller again." Clapperboard emotional ending. You see, aging doesn't mean fading. It means adapting, choosing better. The men I've treated didn't find their strength in a pill. They found it in food, in fresh choices, in dignity. If you're a man over 60, your body is still listening. And when you feed it the right fuel, arugula, beets, cooked tomatoes, spinach, it responds. One forkful at a time. Because you're not too old. You're just one good choice away from the man you used to be.